Hey guys, you ever been driving down the road and a rock flies off a truck and breaks your windshield? And then you call the insurance company and they say you got to pay 200 and some dollars? That's pretty crazy, right? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about how to fix a cracked windshield. Let me tell you what happened the other day. So my wife was driving down the road in a car and a truck threw a rock at her. It cracked her windshield. So we called the insurance company and they said they would cover it after we pay up to 200 and some dollars. Then we heard about this stuff called Rain-X windshield repair. Here's a picture of it. And so I'm going to give that a shot today. We're going to look into it, what the package comes with, how to use it, and how well it works. All right, let's get to it, guys. Thanks. Okay, so here's what the package contains. Unfortunately, my wife beat me to this and already opened it. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is what we have in the package. This is the instructions. You open it up, it has a razor blade in it, and these clear sheets of plastic. All right. Here's the repair resin. And this is the pressure applicator. What you do is you push this on your windshield over the crack, screw this down to your windshield like this. All right, then you take this out and you put your resin in here and you screw this back in, and the pressure causes the resin to come out of the end of this into your crack. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, I want to go over a couple things first. The first thing you're supposed to do is to clean it with a dry paper towel. Then you're supposed to drip the resin in the crack and let it saturate the crack. You're supposed to do this very slowly. If it doesn't saturate the crack completely, you're supposed to go on the inside and push on the window. It helps get the air bubbles out. Then you're supposed to come back and stick the clear plastic sheets to it. After that, it should dry. Then you can take the plastic sheets off and scrape it with the razor blade. All right, guys, right here, you can see the crack starts here. See that right there? That's the crack. All right, let's get started on this. Okay. Okay, so here's a crack on the inside. You can see a little bit better this way. Looks like it's split in two right here. It goes all the way down. Hey guys, I'm just going to do a voiceover from here on out. It's real windy out and I don't have the best setup. I'm just recording on my phone. I apologize for that. Anyway, as you can see here, I'm applying the resin to the split. The most important part about this is you've got to go real slow. You've got to get it about 3 centimeters a second. You've got to take your time with it and just make sure it fills the crack all the way. Also, I want to say you're supposed to do this in the shade. I didn't have any shade. I didn't have a shade tree, so I just went ahead and did it in the sun. So if it doesn't work out right, that's probably why. This is what it looks like after I put all the resin in the crack. And this is what it looks like on the inside. You can see it a lot better here. It did a real good job at filling all the cracks. There's just a couple places it didn't get to. So I just applied the resin like I did last time. I just put it over the whole crack. That way I could stick the plastic to it. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm just putting all the plastic on it. It's important that when you put the plastic on it, you have it laying all the way against it. You don't want any air bubbles under plastic. You don't need to press it real hard. You may have to lift the plastic up, put a little bit of more resin on it. That way the plastic sticks to it real good. Again, I just want to apologize for the sound quality. Like I said, I'm on my iPhone. I don't have a real fancy setup, and the wind was blowing real bad outside. Sorry about that, guys. So here's what it looks like with all the plastic on it. It's ready to be scraped off after it dries. And this is what the plastic looks like from the inside. I'll always go in here and show you so you can see it better. Here I am peeling the plastic off. It's important that if it's not dry, don't peel it off. If it's not dry, just let it set 5 or 10 minutes. Don't peel it off till it's dry. And here I am scraping it off. I'm not gonna lie, this was much harder than I expected it to be. As you can see, it took me quite a while to scrape this all off. So in the instructions it says you're supposed to keep your razor at a straight 90 degrees. I tried to do that, but you know, that stuff's so hard to scrape off. I didn't always do that. It was just incredibly hard. That was the most time consuming part of the whole thing. This is a lot of scraping. If you want to skip that, if you just want to get to the rest of the video, skip to 8:32. It's important not to scrape too hard. You don't want to crack your windshield farther. Also, you don't want to chip your crack, so try to go parallel with the crack instead of like perpendicular to the crack. Just be careful. Okay, so this is it after it's all finished. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but it did a good job where it got into the crack at. A lot of the places it didn't get into the crack. I want to show you an inside view. You can see it. It's a lot better than it was. You can still see it though, even where it did get in there. But like I said, there's some places it just didn't get in the crack. And you know that's probably my fault. I was supposed to do this in the shade, and I didn't. I feel like I should have just took my time and found a way to make some shade and done it the right way. Alright, so did this work? It's hard to say. I feel like I wasted my money. I feel like I should have just took my time, found a way to get some shade and do it the right way. But on the other hand, where it did get into the crack, it worked very well. Did it work perfect? No. I could still see it was there, but it was much less noticeable and it worked much better. I feel like I'm just going to have to remake the video one day. I'm glad I did the video. I'm glad I tried it. I seen how it works and I seen what I did wrong. Hopefully we both learn from this. So hey guys, if I've helped you or if you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know, I'm always open to suggestions. Let me know. Let me know how I should have done it differently. Let me know how you would have done it. Always be safe and have a good time. We'll see you next time. Bye.